Welcome to this discussion about the most advanced country in the world. With so many different metrics to consider, it can be challenging to determine which country is truly the most advanced. However, we'll explore some of the factors that are commonly used to make this determination, and take a closer look at some of the countries that frequently make the list. When it comes to measuring a country's level of development and progress, there are a few key factors that are often taken into consideration. These include factors such as economic stability, technological innovation, infrastructure, education, healthcare, and social equality. One country that consistently ranks high in all of these areas is Norway. With a robust social welfare system, an educated population, and a strong economy, Norway is often considered one of the most advanced countries in the world. The country has also made significant strides in renewable energy, with nearly all of its electricity coming from hydroelectric power. Another country that often ranks highly on measures of development and progress is Japan. With a highly educated population and a strong emphasis on technology and innovation, Japan has become a global leader in fields such as robotics and automation. The country is also known for its excellent healthcare system and high life expectancy. Finally, it's worth noting that the United States is often considered one of the most advanced countries in the world. With a strong economy, world-class universities, and a thriving technology sector, the US has long been a leader in innovation and progress. While there is no single country that can claim to be the most advanced in every area, there are certainly many countries that excel in different ways. Whether it's Norway's strong social welfare system, Japan's technological innovations, or the US's thriving economy and education system, there is much to admire and learn from around the world. Thank you for joining us for this discussion, and we hope you have a better understanding of what it means to be the most advanced country in the world.